Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick contour and eyebrow tutorial. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I already basically based my face with foundation and I've set it with my baking powder. I use Beauty Bakery flour powder in yellow. This one was really hard for me to get. I'm so glad at the time it took stalking their website to get it. So I've kind of just patted it underneath my eyes, basically where my highlight will be. And I'll start with my contour. I contour with the Fenty Beauty Stick and Espresso. So once I've blended as much as possible, I know my cheeks seem a little intense, but that's what contour does. I will go back with my setting powder from Laura Mercier. I use medium deep translucent powder. Now I use a beauty blender. Okay, now that I basically set my face, my contour is less intense, I am gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. And I am going to use a powder brush. Now that my contour has really blended into my skin, I'm gonna go over those areas with my bronzer, the CoverGirl Queen Collection in Ebony Bronze. And I use this strange liquid foundation brush that I find works perfect for me using this. So now that I have finished my bronzer, I am gonna go over with my highlighter. I use the Becca Cosmetics Chocolate Geode. I love highlighters. I collect them in the dozens. I don't care that I have tons, but this one here is literally the perfect gold bronzy tone that I've ever come across. So this one here is definitely my favorite. By the way, I forgot to mention, this is the Anastasia highlighter brush. It's perfect for any highlighter. Okay, before I dig into truly blending this all in, you're wondering what's going on with my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows last. So I am gonna use the Brow Master by Bare Minerals. I do use several brow products, so bear with me. Now I'm gonna use the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. Now I'm going to use the MAC Liquid Brow. Now if I feel my brows are too light, I'll use the other end. Now I am going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Night translucent powder. And I will use the same powder brush I use with the MAC Mineral Finish. Now that my face is perfectly blended, it is time to set my face. I use the Makeup Forever. It's the Mist and Fix setting spray. So I try to shake it up a bit and then tilt my head back and then. So this is my completed contour look. I love a good contour. Anytime I do full glam, I always contour. The key to contouring is blend, blend, blend. I know a lot of people are afraid of contouring or they don't think it looks good on them, and that's only because you didn't blend properly. Contouring is a great way to more volumize your everyday makeup look. If you're going out, this is my go-to thing, and I love building the contour with the bronzer on top. And with so much blending, it makes it a lot more natural. As for my brows, I do not lock them in with a concealer just because I feel that my eyebrows should look like sisters, not twins. When I lock them in with concealer, I notice they just look too identical, and I spend so much time just correcting one eyebrow to match the other. And at the end of the day, they're just like too perfect. I love the natural bushiness of my eyebrow that it already has, and I just go in and create more of a tint and natural brush strokes as much as possible, and I feel that works best for me. And especially when I'm wearing so much makeup, I like to kind of like tone it down, and my eyebrows are the way that my whole makeup look is toned down a bit. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week. All right, bye.